And the bid goes on. What we have here is a 2013 Avalanche by Keystone Travel Trailer. It is on consignment from one of our fleet repo dealers. As you can see, the outside is in excellent condition. The decals are still in excellent condition. There is a ton of storage capacity underneath the unit. The unit does have 3 slide outs. The slide out on the passenger side that does have the door also has an outside entertainment center. All the wheels still have some great tread on them. The awning, which is a power awning, does work with no issues. Going inside the unit, as we walk in, you can see that it does have a tile floor in the kitchen area. The dining and living room is carpeted. As you can see, the trim work around the slide out is in excellent condition. And there is ample amount of storage room in this unit, all across the kitchen, living room, and bedroom facilities. It does have a table with 2 chairs, a couch with an end table, 2 lush chairs in the back, a great entertainment system with a flat screen TV, and as you can see with the blue light there, a stereo system hidden behind the doors. Ceiling fan located right above to help circulation. The kitchen area is a large kitchen area. Beautiful countertop. Again, lots of storage. Built-in microwave oven, along with a fan hood above the stove. Large refrigerator. The nice thing about the refrigerator and fridge is you cannot tell that's a refrigerator and fridge when you walk in, because they put the wood outside, making it look like it's more of a storage. Again, a large freezer. The storage doors by the front door. You have a coat rack. Then you have all your light switches, along with your power slide out switches, and your monitor system. As you go up the stairs to the bedroom area, again, more storage for you. On the right hand side is going to be the restroom with the vanity, the full sink, again, more storage compartments, a nice large shower, which you can see is very, very clean. The toilet. And then as we move into the bedroom, you have the 3rd slide out for the master bed. I apologize, it's messy. It was closed shut with that on it. Also, like I said, a lot of storage compartments inside and ample windows to brighten up the room or to close and make the room darker for better sleeping. And the large mirror along the back hand side. Air conditioning units in the roof. If you have any questions or like more information on this 2013 Avalanche camper by Keystone, please contact myself, Del Mortar, at 608-501-4088. You can either text or you can call, or you can call into Fairway Auto Auction and ask for Brian at 608-884-4100. Thank you.